realities of playing the violin. It's okay if you miss practice. Okay, so hindi naman tayo perfect, no? Especially for a lot of beginners. It's hard to put time aside from what you're doing, especially kung marami kayong ginagawa. But it's okay to miss a couple of sessions of your practice time. Hindi mawawala yung skills mo. But of course, you have to make sure na makakapag-practice ka na ulit. So if you miss like 2 days, alam mo hindi ka nakapag-practice, make sure on the 3rd day mag-practice ka. Kasi practicing, as we said, is building habits, no? It's about building good habits and doing things consistently, no? Para umating tayo sa point na hindi na natin kailangang isipin yung ginagawa natin. So, yun yung importance ng practice. It's not just about, playing for long periods of time, but it's more of kapag nahawakan mo na yung instrument mo, you already know what you need to do. You already know what you are supposed to do. Okay? So, lagi ko ang ina-analogy dyan or ginagamit na analogy is like, it's like writing, no? When you write your name or words, 'di ba? Hindi na natin pinag-iisipan yung letters. Pero of course, we started out in school like writing these things over and over para masanay tayo. Ganun din yung pagpa-practice ng instrument, no? Kailangan umabot tayo sa point na hindi na natin masyadong iniisip yung ginagawa natin. So we can focus on other things. So minsan kapag nag-stop tayo ng practice, tapos namihasa na 3 days, 4 days na, syempre may konting mawawala na skill na na-instill sa atin. So we have to, hindi naman kailangan bawiin, but we have to get back on track, ika nga. So it's okay if you miss like those days, basta makabalik ka and you constantly build those habits up. Kasi pag hindi tayo magpa-progress, mahihirapan tayo. Because again, habit forming or habit building is one key in practicing that makes it easier in the long run. Kaya dumadali yung buhay natin sa pagtugtog kasi alam na natin yung mga kailangan gawin. So we can focus on other things like interpretation ng mga music or other techniques na pwede nating mas bigyan ng pansin. If we don't need to focus all our time and attention on the basic stuff like tone production, intonation, and all of those things. Baka kapag vibrato ka na, di ba? Kapag hindi mo na masyado iniisip yung mga bagay na yan. Keep on practicing, follow for more, and I'll see you on the next one.